Blue cheese lovers, don't scroll, because today we're making an awesome buffalo chicken dip. So if you like Frank's Red Hot and blue cheese, stick around. So start by adding 4 ounces of soft cream cheese to a mixing bowl. You can heat the cream cheese in the microwave to make it soft. Then add half a cup of labneh or Greek yogurt and half a cup of ranch dressing. You can use store-bought or make your own. Now add a quarter cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped green onion, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon salt. Then you mix all the ingredients really well. Oh, and I almost forgot, add 2 minced garlic cloves. Then add 2 cups of cooked shredded rotisserie chicken. You can use any cooked chicken or turkey if you wish, even canned chicken if you're in a pinch. Then mix the chicken until it's blended really well. Now you transfer the mix to an oven-safe casserole dish. Make sure to not overfill the dish as it will rise in the oven. Then bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes until the dip is golden and the cheese is bubbling. When the dip is ready to be served, add a quarter cup of crumbled blue cheese and 1 tablespoon of chopped green onion mix as garnish on top. And there it is, a buffalo chicken dip with plenty of ranch dressing and Frank's Red Hot. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.